Namaste. Nation. The success of a nation depends today or for any time. The success of a nation doesn't depend on its military exploits or its political processes, but it depends on the success of its business. India, as a nation, has known this better than anybody because just about 250 years ago, this was the largest economy on the planet. Over 30% of the world's exports were from India. But when we made the nation, that's after independence, unfortunately, we lost all the trade routes and made a nation. Now, in 2020, we are talking about the economic crisis. India's GDP growth rate projection, which was around 6%, has now clashed to 0.8%. The forex reserves are dying, the rupee has taken a hit, India's economy may lose rupees 18 lakhs crores. The situation is worse than World War II, but the thing we can do to save our economy, we can save it from the economic crisis present we are facing. When we buy any product that's made in India, then we can boost the manufacturing sector, which is the backbone to any other nation. We can help to increase the employment in India, and the money stays in a country itself. Today, I'll introduce you about India's rarest diamond. It's not Kohinoor, in fact, it's a natural fiber. As we know from our history that India was the greatest supplier of textiles to the rest of the world. At one time, 60% of world's exports was Indian textiles. 300 years ago, it was systematically destroyed during the British era. The diamond of India, that's what I call as a natural fiber. The natural fiber, if it comes back, it will be a game changer. It will be truly a game changer to India's economy. There is no other nation on the planet which has the skills that we have. Over 120 varieties, distinct varieties of weaves we have in this country. Nearly 50 of them are in a period of extinction because only a person or a couple, old people are into this, and the children are into the software engineer. It's we who have destroyed all this because of compulsory education. If a child, his son or daughter, with a father or mother goes to loom or agriculture land to work with their parents could be arrested because of the child labor. So we are determined to destroy all our skills in a country, and we have millions of graduates now who have the attitude of educates and who don't know a damn thing in their life to do. And coming to their people's fashion clothing, nowadays 95% of them are made of polyfibers. These polyfibers have entered into our body, has entered into plants or animals, soil, food chain, everything. This one thing which has gone above the readers, that is, everyone have bothered about plastic bags, tiny little plastic bags. Now they should be abolished. But the major thing is this polyfiber clothes have become the largest pollutants. At least now, let's awake. At least let's wear the natural fiber. At least one day in a week. Please, I plead everyone to wear the natural fiber. Many farmers will not die if we wear this natural fiber. If you just do this one thing, we can save many farmers. You may save many farmers' lives. Let's bring our natural fibers back as it's used to be in our country. We were the largest exporters of cotton and jute manufacturers in the world, but all wiped out. It's time to bring them back. Let's wear the natural fiber, at least in a week. Let's save the country's farmer and the nation's economy. Thank you. Be Indian, buy Indian.